Hi, are you looking for stretch marks treatment? Do you know about carboxytherapy treatment? Today we will discuss about the stretch marks and carboxytherapy. So stretch marks usually form during the puberty. That means when there will be a growth spurt, these stretch marks will form. Not only that, I am Dr. Sudha Vani from Sri Skin Clinic, Banjara Hills. They also form during pregnancy and also when people gain weight. So stretch marks are difficult to treat because even with the treatments, they only fade away. So there are several treatment options available like retinoid creams and microneedling and PRP therapies and lasers. But one of the best treatment is carboxytherapy. So carboxytherapy is nothing but of injection of carbon dioxide gas into the skin. So most of the times people are afraid that, oh, are you injecting gas into the skin? But this is very safe treatment. There is no downtime and within 15 to 20 minutes we can finish the treatment and happily you can do your work. So carboxytherapy is a non-toxic gas and very safe. After injection of the carbon dioxide gas, there may be a little swelling in that area which lasts for 5 to 10 minutes. Then after 3 weeks, you can see the improvement. For stretch marks, there is a different technique. We inject carbon dioxide gas superficially and also a little bit deeper. So this gives a formation of new collagen and there will be a good improvement in the stretch marks. So carboxytherapy is one of the best and safe treatment for stretch marks. Many people develop stretch marks after pregnancy and after following surgeries. So these stretch marks are very frustrating for them. Even stretch marks will develop not only on the abdomen, sometimes on the back, hands, lower legs. These are all very frustrating for the people. These stretch marks can be treated with carboxytherapy. So carboxytherapy usually requires 5 to 6 treatments with a gap of 3 weeks or 4 weeks and no downtime, no side effects. So we can treat these stretch marks with carboxytherapy, which is very effective and also cost effective. And this carboxytherapy can be combined with other treatments also like lasers and PRP therapy for the stretch marks and also with microneedling. But carboxytherapy alone is also that much effective. So we have been performing this treatment for the last 6 years and we have many happy clients.